Welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into an exciting topic in the world of computing and information technology, computer clusters. You might have heard the term computer cluster before, but what does it really mean? How is it used in research, business, and everyday applications that power the internet and technology all around us? By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what a computer cluster is, why it is important, and how it impacts the digital world you use daily. A computer cluster is essentially a group of connected computers that work together as if they were a single system. These computers, often called nodes, are linked through fast local networks, and they collaborate to perform complex tasks more efficiently than a single computer could. Unlike traditional computers, which operate individually, clusters pool resources to handle massive amounts of data, run scientific simulations, support high-performance applications, and power large-scale websites and cloud services. This makes them essential in industries like finance, healthcare, artificial intelligence, and scientific research. Think of it like this. A single person can move a pile of heavy rocks, but it would take a very long time. If you have a group of people working together at the same time, the task is finished much faster and more effectively. In the same way, a computer cluster spreads out demanding workloads across multiple systems. This increases processing speed, improves reliability, and ensures efficiency. There are different types of computer clusters designed for different purposes. For example, load balancing clusters distribute work across several nodes to handle web traffic or application requests, while high-performance clusters are built for calculations, simulations, and scientific research. High-availability clusters are used in industries where downtime is not acceptable, such as banking or healthcare, ensuring that services remain available even if one node fails. Now, before we go deeper into the fascinating world of computer clusters, I would like to take a moment to ask you something important. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can always stay updated with the latest content I create. Make sure you like, share, and comment on this video because your engagement helps this channel grow. Do not forget to turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video, where I will continue to explain powerful technology concepts just like this one. Returning to the topic, let us look at the structure of a computer cluster. Each cluster is made up of several key components: nodes, networking hardware, and management software. The nodes are the individual computers that make up the cluster, and they are often standard servers connected together. The networking hardware ensures fast communication between these nodes, while specialized software controls resource allocation, monitors performance, and makes sure tasks are distributed evenly. This software layer is what makes the cluster function as one unified system instead of just a random set of connected computers. Clusters have become the backbone of modern computing. Search engines like Google use massive clusters to index and deliver search results in fractions of a second. Weather prediction models rely on clusters to simulate complex atmospheric data. Streaming services like Netflix and YouTube depend on clusters to deliver videos smoothly to millions of users at the same time. Without clusters, the internet as we know it would be far less efficient and possibly unable to handle the demands of billions of users worldwide. One of the main benefits of using a computer cluster is scalability. Instead of buying one extremely powerful and expensive machine, organizations can combine multiple affordable computers into a cluster. As demand grows, more nodes can be added without replacing the entire system. This flexibility allows clusters to grow alongside businesses or research needs. Another major advantage is fault tolerance. In traditional computing, if a single system fails, the entire operation stops. In a well-designed computer cluster, if one node goes down, other nodes can continue working, ensuring little to no downtime. This is why high-availability clusters are so important for industries that require constant uptime, such as online banking or medical monitoring systems. When we talk about performance, computer clusters provide unmatched computational power. High-performance computing clusters are often used by universities, research labs, and government agencies to process complex scientific data. From simulating nuclear physics to mapping the human genome, clusters play an essential role in advancing human knowledge and technology. Energy efficiency is also a big factor. Instead of overloading a single system, clusters distribute workloads, which reduces overheating and improves energy consumption. With the right configurations, clusters can be greener and more cost-effective than other computing solutions. At this point, you can see how deeply integrated computer clusters are in the digital infrastructure we rely on every day. Whether it is social media, banking, scientific research, or streaming services, clusters ensure speed, reliability, and efficiency. As we approach the end of this video, let us recap. A computer cluster is a group of interconnected computers working together as a single unit. It provides scalability, reliability, high performance, and energy efficiency. It is used in countless industries and applications, from web hosting and artificial intelligence to weather prediction and entertainment. Understanding computer clusters is essential if you want to grasp the backbone of modern digital technology. Before I end this video, I want to remind you again of something important. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss any of my future videos. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video because I would love to hear your thoughts. Finally, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss my next video, and thank you very much for watching.